TBMA, total body muscle activation. We've talked about some exercise options along the fitness continuum. Most of the exercise in which people engage tends to be aerobic in nature. These are exercises which raise the heart rate and burn calories in a time-dependent manner, meaning the calories burned are maximal during that exercise and increased calorie burn doesn't continue long thereafter. Stimulated skeletal muscle, on the other hand, burns calories at a higher rate 24/7 even while we sleep. These are the activities at the far right of the fitness continuum. This is why people in the fitness world consistently look the way that they do, typically very lean and muscular in appearance with low body fat percentage. And it's why they exert such great control over the shape and direction of their physical bodies. These physical changes occur because of an ongoing focus on stimulating each of the body's major muscle groups, often in addition to aerobic exercise. I'll talk about the implementation of TBMA, total body muscle activation, in the next video by targeting the core 7 muscle group. But for now, I simply want you to understand the calorie burning power that stimulated skeletal muscle brings to the table and how you can use TBMA to change and sculpt your body as well. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, I'm Dr. Richard Kelly with Type 2 to Health. If you like these videos and you're trying to live a healthier lifestyle, subscribe to the channel, stay tuned, and I'll see you again soon.